Hi everyone, it's Suzanne in Texas, and I'm about to start my last 12 blocks of the Rainbow Log Cabin, and someone asked me to try and explain the method that I use for chain piecing. I have here 3 sets of 4 blocks, and they're strips. The last two the last 2 groups of blocks are a set of 8 red and purple. I'm using actually gray instead of purple. So I've divided those into 2 sets of 4, which would be 8. And then the last set is a group of 4 blocks that are black and red. And so I'm using kind of charcoal. Anyway, here's what I do. I take the first 2 blocks that need to be combined out of each, or the first 2 pieces out of each block, and that's the 2.5. And I pick up all 8 pieces, because there's 4 and 4, and from each of the groups, and chain piece them together. And I remember which order I started in. For example, on this one, I did the red and the charcoal first. So when I got those 4 done, I knew they went with this group. The next 4 went with this group, and the last 4 went with that one. At that point, I clip them apart, keeping the right 4 together, and press them. And if I need to do any trimming, I do that. The next step would be to pick up the next strips that go to that connect to those, and you can mark if you want with a pen the side that needs to be sewn together. I just take it, and this is my sewing machine, and I lay them in the direction so that I know that's the side I'm going to sew together. So I take those, and then the next group, same thing, and then in this case the third group, same thing. And I just chain piece them. And if I need to kind of switch out colors, I can as I'm doing that. So I chain piece all 12, taking the first 4 for the first group, second 4 for the next group, last 4 for this group. Again, press, trim, and go on. At one point you get to where, or I get to where I can't really piece all 12 at one time without getting them kind of bottleneck. So I'll do maybe like 5, cut off the first 4, put them with their group, and then go on. Anyway, hope that makes sense and helps some of you. Thanks.